In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to connect any capture card to your PlayStation console, so that way you can play, stream, and record your gameplay footage in super high resolution, so that way you can take your content to the next level. So jumping straight into the video, the very first thing you want to do is go over to your settings inside of your PlayStation console. From here, you are going to go over to System. You are then going to go over to HDMI, and you then want to make sure that you disable HDCP. And the reason as to why you want to disable this is because HDCP prevents content from being recorded from an outside source, such as your capture cards. And so if you end up leaving the setting on, then you'll just end up with a black screen inside of your streaming software. And so now once that's done, you can now go ahead and exit out of the menu, as we're now ready to go ahead and connect the capture card. Now, the capture card that I'm going to be utilizing in today's video is going to be the 4KS capture card from Elgato. Now, most capture cards automatically come with a USB-C to USB 3.0 cable, as well as an HDMI cable. And so what you're going to want to do is plug the available HDMI cable into the back of your PlayStation console, and you are then going to take the opposite end and plug that into the HDMI in port that's located on your capture card. You are then going to take the USB-C cable and you're going to plug that into the capture card, and then the opposite end into an available USB 3.0 port that's located either on your PC or on your laptop. Now, if the capture card that you're utilizing uses a USB-C to USB-C connection cable, then you are just going to plug that into the back of your PC or on the side of your laptop. However, if you don't have one of those ports available, then you can just go ahead and purchase a USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter off of Amazon, in which you can get for roughly around $10. Now, if you're somebody that's only going to be utilizing one particular monitor, then that's all that you're really going to have to do, because you'll be able to see your gameplay directly inside of your streaming software, such as OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS. However, if you're going to be utilizing two monitors or maybe a monitor and a TV, then what you're going to do is take the second HDMI cable, you're going to plug that into the available HDMI out port that's located on your capture card, and plug the opposite end into the back of your monitor or your TV. Now, to add the capture card to your streaming software such as OBS or Streamlabs OBS, you are then going to have to come over to your scenes, and you want to select the scene as to where you want the capture card to be. You are then going to go over to your sources. You're going to select the plus icon. You're going to go over to video capture device. You're going to name this capture card. You want to make sure the source is visible and select OK. From here, you're going to go over to your device and you want to make sure you select your capture card. Mine is the Elgato 4KS. The menu should automatically pop up right here, and then you can go ahead and select OK. Now, by default, you should see your audio mixer, which is right here, labeled capture card. If you move your joystick around on your PlayStation controller, you should automatically see your audio moving. And if you don't see that, so if you're on Mac, then what you can do is select the plus icon, go over to audio input capture, name this capture card audio, and then you want to go ahead and you want to select your capture card again. And now you should be able to see the audio working. Now, really quickly, I do want to go ahead and mention that if you have your headset plugged into your controller, you will not be able to hear your gameplay audio while utilizing the capture card. And so you are going to have to plug your headset into your laptop or your PC in order for you to hear your gameplay audio. And in case if you're still having issues hearing your gameplay audio, then what you can do is click on the three dots in the audio mixer right next to your capture card. You can go into the advanced audio properties, and under the audio monitoring, you can actually change that from monitor off to monitor and output. And then that will also allow you to be able to hear your gameplay audio. Now, if you also want to be able to talk to your friends as well, then what you're going to have to do is get a chat link cable, and you're going to have to utilize that to plug that into the capture card and then into your PC, and you'll be able to hear your friends and talk back to them as well. And so with that being said, that is how you're able to connect a capture card to your PlayStation 5 console. And so with that being said, if you made it to the end of this video, or if you found this helpful, make sure you give this a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And in case you want to look at more PlayStation tutorials just like this, make sure you click on this playlist right here. And I'll catch you guys in the comments down below, as well as in the next video.